All right, y'all. We at 85 southbound, mile marker 11. What's up, Caden? Check it out. You know we had to make the tic tac. We got some lumber we're gonna pick up today. See if we can go and get it out the road, and then we'll get it picked up. We'll get back with y'all after a while.
Are you out of your mind?
1/2 mile. Take exit 24, Lower City Road, Los Angeles Street, and then turn left in 0.3 miles.
Turn left onto Waldron Road.
Sitting with your mum and dad, I was talking to them, like you ever have.
Fella, you alright?
Bella, are you okay?
What the f***, man?
Bella, are you okay? Bella?
Oi!
Hey! Get your ass back here!
Receipts Act, requiring the Pentagon to pass an audit by 2028. The legislation would direct the Department of War to use AI technology, which the senator says would save money by reducing the reliance on costly consultants. The
Crazy.
I might pick up some... Holy shit. This guy crashed right in front of me.
Holy shit, it could have been you.
I might pick up some... Holy shit. Wow, lady. Oh.
Between two train cars. He crouched there, gasping, heart pounding as another of Miles's bullets ricocheted off the corner near him. How did you fight? Yep.
TV out, TV out. Easy,
Hey, why am I getting... Whoa, 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 whoa. Can you tell me why this is happening?
Shut the up.
Why am I shutting the up? Do you want me to call? I can call, I don't know why this is happening. And I was following you, and I was just going at normal speed. I'm not drunk.
There you are.